Damn, she looks so good. She looks so good, but I can't take her out. It is nasty outside. What is going on, Joyriders? Are you guys ready to vlog? Let's vlog. So today we are actually not going to be able to take any car. We can't do any car content because it's freaking disgusting out here. So I got something planned for you guys. We're going to go over to my buddy Nathan's shop. He's going to give us a tour of his shop. He's got probably one of the coolest jobs. I am super jealous of your job, Nathan. But I'm going to take you guys over there, give you guys a tour, and bring you guys along. So on to the topic of this video. Would I ever sell my GT500? Because that's what I'm going to title this video, just because, you know, if I titled it Tour of White Post Restoration, no one would know what the hell that was. But we're going to do that later, and I hope you guys stick around for that. Would I sell my GT500? That has actually been something that has been asked to me a lot. So I thought, why not? Let's make a video and just talk about it. When people ask me that, first thing comes to mind is just like, no, I mean, I don't want to sell my car. I have no reason to sell it. It's paid for. I don't have a car payment on it. The only thing I do pay on it is car insurance. So it's basically just a toy that sits in the garage, so there's no need to sell it. Now, I'm not going to deny, in the past, I have thought about selling it. Now, like with the YouTube thing and like doing all the videos and all that, the car is part of the channel. It's almost like a family member. I can't get rid of this thing. But even though I say that, there's a price on everything. So pretty much, I'm not going to go out here and try to sell it or put a for sale sign on it. If somebody just came up to me and offered me a stupid amount of money, I mean, that probably goes for a lot of you guys. You say you'd never sell your baby, but if somebody came up to you and offered you the right amount, then, I mean, you know what? I need to swap hands. Whew. This hand is getting tired. So if I did sell it, like the newer Mustangs, and I would end up probably getting another one. And the S197 body style is pretty much one of my most favorite body styles, besides the old 67, 68 fastbacks. As far as the modern Mustangs, this is my most favorite body style. I do have a little soft spot for the 0304 Cobras. We're not gonna sell it, we're not selling it. So let's not get that confused, but if somebody came up to me and offered me the right amount, yeah, I would let it go. I would just go buy another one, that's all. If I did get another one, I can do things a little bit differently. It's another video that's coming soon. So we're actually gonna go get ready. We're gonna go head out to my buddy Nathan's shop, and I hope you guys stay along in this video. I don't know how to put this because his shop, it's a lot of older cars. So I know like a lot of people that watch my channel are around my age, younger, or you know, and they don't really appreciate the older cars. Before I go, you know, if any of you guys were wondering what that magic number is before I let that car go,
$1 million.
I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of an update. We got a bunch of exciting stuff coming for this thing. In the next month, maybe 2 months, this car is gonna be completely different. I mean, I'm gonna be changing a lot of stuff on this car as far as the appearance and maybe something under the hood too. I'm just gonna put that out there, just stay tuned for that. Some of you guys may already know. Before we go, I want you guys to comment below, how much do you think my car is worth?
$1 billion.
It is starting to get dark. You know what we're gonna take, guys? We're not gonna take that today. We're gonna take that. Before I roll out, I wanted to show, I've been getting these comments because every RV video I do, everybody's like commenting below. It's like, oh dude, those are SN95 style headlights. I wanted to just show you guys a quick little clip of those headlights. Look at that. My RV is secretly a Mustang. That's badass. That's kind of cool. I didn't even notice that until you guys pointed that out in the comment section. You're a real true Mustang enthusiast, like how something that small could stand out. That's crazy. Look at that Snapchat. Look at that. You guys are freaking awesome. Already rocking the merch, repping the JD Joyride TV. Here we are, guys. This is Nathan. I don't know if maybe some of you guys may remember Nathan from my Instagram. He's the guy that had the Model T that we took for a quick cruise when we went Instagram live. That was fun. We'll have to, yeah, this summer maybe we'll have to do it again, take the Model T out. and do like a full video on it. So we are here at White Post Restoration. This is where Nathan works. He is the upholstery guy, right?
Upholstery and restoration technician. I do everything but body work. I don't like body work.
He is gonna give us a tour of this awesome shop and show some of the projects that they're working on.
White Post Restorations is an automobile restoration shop. They've been in business since the 40s. For a long time, we exclusively did ground up nut and bolt restorations. But recently we've taken on partials and stuff like that, so we're pretty busy. A nut and bolt restoration here usually takes about 2 years and about 5,000 man hours. So it's a lot of work and it takes a lot of dedication and passion, but everyone that works here loves it. We all like cars, just like JD, so it's a dream job.
We're gonna take a tour, so enjoy. Now that thing is pretty cool. You want to tell them what this thing is?
It's a 1977 Toyota Landcruiser.
Toyota Landcruiser. That's crazy. This thing is so clean. You guys gotta check this out.
It's a full restoration, so it's back to new again, better than new. It's the way it would have been delivered on the showroom. There isn't a nut or bolt that hasn't been touched on this. That's how we do it here. If it hasn't been worked on, then it needs to be worked on.
And then look at this thing. That's sick.
The 67 E-Type Jag. Full restoration. It's taken a long time. This car's probably been here for 4 years, but it's finally done. I'm waiting for the owner to build his garage and have a place to put it. The E-Type Jag has a inline 6-cylinder dual overhead cam, which to me it's just a work of art. It's a piece of jewelry.
It is clean. I mean, everything down to the suspension. This is amazing. Let's see what it looks like inside. It's actually like cleaner than like a brand new car.
It is.
And like these cars, you guys can't tell because you're watching a video, but like when you open the doors and you go like inside of them, they have that new car smell.
So this is a 60 Cadillac. This came in as a partial restoration, but each time we got into a certain part, we ended up fully restoring it. So it wound up being a full restoration. Paint job, interior, engine rebuild, the grill. They redid that grill and it has like 900 pieces.
That's crazy, 900 pieces on that thing? Yeah, don't crash that.
So it had to be anodized and then reassembled.
Rotisserie restoration.
Yeah,
this is what they're talking
too.
about.
Yeah.
And then you got your Alfa Romeo.
Romeo.
It's probably the redneck.
You got a little tinge of redneck, but so do I. My wife says so. If you're really foo-foo, it's Alfa Romeo. It's a 69 Alfa Romeo Spider.
Build over here.
This is an insurance job. So they hit a raccoon or something and it drove the radiator up into the hood.
What do we got here?
It's a 32 Cadillac. It doesn't get much better than that. I like the old fendered cars like this.
And back there, guys, is the Stingray. You guys probably saw that as I pulled in. And a lot of the younger guys probably really don't appreciate the old stuff like this.
Right.
But I
Like
mean,
that.
this is where it all started. I just spotted an LS7. This thing is pretty sick. Wait till you guys see what that is actually going into. It's actually pretty cool. And then you've got some drag radials over here. Some really, really wide tires and some wheels sitting over there.
ZF transaxle.
And that's the transit's going in it?
Yeah, this transit's going. That should tell you something about what kind of car it is.
Yeah, wait till you guys see what this is going into. Dude, those things are wide. Yeah, and that's a size 14 shoe.
Yeah, that's right.
Please forgive me, guys. I don't know what a lot of these cars are, and you guys probably don't know either. What is this?
It's a 56 DeSoto Chrysler car. It's a station wagon.
Yes, it's got a pretty cool story because of who it belonged to.
Yeah, it belonged to Dan Aykroyd.
You guys probably remember him from the movie Ghostbusters.
Yes, Ghostbusters, and he was in the Coneheads movie. When he signed the dash, he signed it as Baldor, which was his character, and he drew a conehead on the dash.
That's cool. It reminds me of a Nomad, if you guys know what those are. Does it?
Yes, it does. It's the same vintage, so it would.
Yeah. So I just spotted a 1927 water-cooled turbo Studebaker. Wait till you guys see the turbo on this thing. It's ridiculous. Right there. Look at that. So Nathan said he redid the interior on this, and you said it's to the original specs of how it would have been when it was brand new.
Same material, same techniques for installation, pretty traditional. It's more like upholstering furniture than an automobile.
Wow. So the LS7 engine that we saw earlier, we're about to go walk in here and take a look at the car that's actually going into. I'm super stoked about this. This is badass. Nathan, you want to tell them what this is?
Yeah, this is a 1971 Tomaso Pantera, highly modified. It's almost unrecognizable as a Pantera, which was originally Ford powered, but of course it's going to get that LS7 in it now, which probably wasn't a bad choice.
No, not at all. Lid. And then this is the hood.
Well, that's actually the engine cover.
Yeah.
And then this is the front lid.
That's pretty cool. Looks good. I think I would have just went with a different choice of color. Other than that, everything else looks good.
But yeah, I like it. It's got a big wow factor, everybody that sees it. Wow.
I guess we're gonna wrap this video up as well, wrap up the rest of the cars, and we're gonna call it a night. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, subscribe, and also check Nathan out on Instagram. His Instagram will be linked below. He's got a badass Model T, cool pictures. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.